Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook forgot password issue. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So right here, if I'm going to try to log into this account, then there might be an issue where it just wouldn't let me because of the forgotten password. So you can see right here, we're going to click on forgot password. And so from here, you're going to make sure to either use your phone number or you can use your email, one of which you have made the account with. Once you enter the correct email address, then you're going to go and click continue, and that is going to send a code that is going to send directly to your email. And so from that, you're going to go to your email address, which is going to be right here in your Gmail. It's going to look something very similar to this, where you're going to just copy the code, and then from there you're going to paste it into the Facebook application. And as you can see, it gives you options to either send you an SMS to your phone number, or you can try to enter your password again. And so you're going to just click that and it will send you a password. And so from here, once you click that, it will allow you to reset your password and you can have access again. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.